day, everyone. Well, if you're unable to delete or cancel the print queue on your printer, this tutorial will be very helpful because there is a service which we need to disable, like Print Spooler. And once we disable the Print Spooler service, we can remove the queue. So here, just do a right click in the start icon, go to run, and type services.msc. I'll maximize it so that you can watch it. I'll show you. Just allow me a moment. I'll write it. Services.msc and click on OK. And here select any of the service and type P as in Peter and then look for Print Spooler. So you can see that you can simply do a right click and click on stop, and then you can go to your print queue and you can cancel or whatever is there in the queue. And once you are done, you can come back right here, do a right click and click on start, and this will start working on your computer. So I hope you have find this tutorial very short and helpful. If yes, please hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day. Take care.